Hi everyone, Sandro here from Paintless Dent Repair Hawaii. I'm here with another short video for you of a before and after. This time is a few wheels on Model X from Tesla. And as you can see here, there's quite a bit of damage on these wheels. And it's a total of 3 wheels that we're going to be doing. This one here, damage in a few different areas, mostly all around the wheel. Some areas are pretty bad, pretty deep. And then there's this third wheel here. This one maybe with a few less abrasions. So yeah, in a bit I'll come back to you with the after result so you can take a look and see what you think. See you in a bit.